I am making 3 sets of holiday earrings inspired by some that I've seen in stores. Start by combining equal parts of an epoxy resin compound. Stir the 2 parts together slowly for 5 minutes and let the mixture sit so that any bubbles can rise to the top. In a clean cup, pour a small amount of the resin mixture and then add a few drops of green resin dye and some green glitter. Using a silicone mold like this one is made for earrings or even for ornaments. Now do the same thing with a little bit of resin, some brown coloring, and gold glitter for the gingerbread molds. To remove any extra bubbles that may have formed when pouring that, you can use a heat gun right over the top of the resin. This will help give your earrings a clear finish. Now let these set undisturbed for 24 hours. Once everything's set and the resin is nice and hard, you can remove it from the molds. I'm using enamel paint to add some details to these resin earrings. Enamel paint is a great option for glass, ceramic, or resin. The paint won't chip or rub off, and it dries opaque, giving a really vibrant color. You can use toothpicks, Q-tip, or even a paintbrush to get into the small spaces and add this color. Attach a jump ring and an earring hook to each piece, and you have 2 really cute pairs of holiday earrings. The third pair is inspired by really cute wreath earrings. Start with a glittery green pipe cleaner and some small jewelry charms. Thread a charm onto the pipe cleaner, then wrap it around once and secure it in place. Repeat this for 3 more charms. Then form the pipe cleaner into a circle and twist the ends together. Add an earring hook by twisting the ends of the pipe cleaner around it. These are quick, easy, festive wreath earrings. So there you have 3 DIY holiday earrings that you can make and wear this month.